Understanding, keep it in the dark, unraveling idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English idiom, keep it in the dark. Idioms are a vital part of learning English, offering insight into the cultural nuances and creative expressions of the language. Let's unravel the mystery behind this phrase and understand how it's used in everyday conversation. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, origins, and examples. At its core, keep it in the dark is used to describe a situation where information is deliberately hidden or kept secret from someone. It's not about physical darkness, but rather the metaphorical darkness of being uninformed or unaware. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional environments, highlighting the act of withholding information. Understanding the origins of idioms can be fascinating, as it often reveals a lot about the culture and history of a language. While the exact origin of "keep it in the dark" might not be pinpointed to a specific moment in history, it's clear that the concept of darkness as ignorance or secrecy has been a long-standing metaphor in many languages and cultures. This idiom encapsulates the human tendency to conceal information, whether for protection, manipulation, or privacy. To truly grasp the usage of "keep it in the dark," let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace, the management decided to keep the employees in the dark about the upcoming merger until the last minute. 2. In personal relationships, she felt betrayed when she discovered that her friends had kept her in the dark about the surprise party. 3. In politics, the government was accused of keeping the public in the dark about the environmental impacts of the new project. These examples demonstrate how the phrase can convey a range of emotions and intentions, from protective secrecy to deceitful manipulation. When incorporating "keep it in the dark" into your language repertoire, consider the context and the message you wish to convey. It's a powerful idiom that can express a complex web of emotions and situations. Use it to describe scenarios where information is withheld, but always be mindful of the nuances and potential implications of keeping someone in the dark. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and usage of "keep it in the dark." We hope this video sheds light on how idiomatic expressions enrich the English language and how they can add depth and color to your conversations. Remember, understanding and using idioms can significantly improve your language skills and help you connect more deeply with native speakers. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.